So we will make a magic knot. First, we will wrap the yarn around our two finger like this. Make a cross in the front, then straight in the back. Take your hook under the first yarn, then over the second yarn. Grab the yarn and pull it. Then take off, pull the tail, then pull the working yarn to shorten the loop. Then we will grab the yarn like this. First the ring finger and the pinky finger, then the index and the thumb and middle finger. Make 12 chain. Under the working yarn, grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. Grab the yarn, pull it through the loop. Grab the yarn, pull the yarn, then through the loop. Then make a single crochet into the second chain. So this is our first chain from where the loop came, and this is our second chain. So into the second chain, pull the yarn, then grab the yarn and pull it through the two loops. 1, 2. Then we will make 1/2 double crochet. So first we will take a loop, then insert the hook into the next chain. So the next chain here, then grab the yarn, pull it through the loop, then 3 loops here, grab the yarn and pull it through all 3 loops. Now we will make a double crochet. So 1 loop, then insert the hook into the next chain. So this is the next chain. Insert your hook, then grab the yarn, pull it through the chain, then here is 3 loops, then grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, then grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops, 1, 2. So this is our double crochet. Now we will make 4 triple crochet. So for the triple crochet we will take 2 loops first, 1, 2, then hold the loops, insert the hook into your next chain, then pull up a loop, and here is your 4 loops. Then grab your yarn, pull through 2, grab your yarn, pull through 2, and grab your yarn, pull through 2. Again, 2 loops, insert the second one, pull through 1 more, and here is 4 loops. So grab your yarn, pull through 2, grab your yarn, pull through 2, grab your yarn, pull through 2. So here is our 2 triple crochet, and we will make 2 more triple crochet. So 1, 2, then insert your hook into the next chain, then pull up 1 more loop, then take your yarn, pull through 2, take your yarn, pull through 2, take your yarn, pull through 2. 1, 2, into the next chain, pull through 1 more, take your yarn, pull through 2, take your yarn, pull through 2, take your yarn, pull through 2. Then now we will make 1 double crochet. So 1 loop, then insert your hook into the next chain, then pull up a loop, then take your yarn, pull through 2, again pull through 2. Now we will make 2 half double crochet. Into the next chain, insert your hook, pull up a loop, then take your yarn, pull through all 3 loops, then 1 more half double crochet, take yarn and pull through all 3 loops. Now make a single crochet into the last chain. So insert your hook, take a loop, then take your loop and pull through 2. Then make a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the same chain. So here, and take your yarn. Now chain 1. Again into the same chain, pull up a loop, then pull through the loop. So insert your hook into the second chain and pull up a loop, make a single crochet. So grab the yarn, 1, 2. Then we will make half double crochet. So 1 loop, insert your hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, here is 3 loops. Then take the yarn and go through all 3 loops. Then we will make 1 half double crochet more. So 1 loop, insert into the same chain, pull up a loop, then grab the yarn, pull through all 3 loops. Now we will make 1 double crochet. So take a loop, then into the second chain, insert your hook into the next chain, then pull up a loop, then take your yarn, 1, 2, then take your yarn, pull up 2 loops. Now we will make 4 triple crochet into the next 4 chain. So 1, 2, insert your hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, take your yarn through the 2 loops, take 1 yarn more, 1 more, triple crochet into the second chain, pull up through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. So here is our 2 triple crochet. We're gonna make 2 more. So take 2 loops, then insert your hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, 1, 2, take the yarn, pull through 2, again take the yarn, pull through 2. We will make 1 more triple crochet. So here, now we will make 1 double crochet. So 1 loop, insert your hook into the next chain, here, then pull up a loop, grab your yarn, pull through 2, grab your yarn, pull through 2. Now we will make 1 half double crochet. So take a loop, then insert your hook into the next chain, then take a loop, then grab your yarn, pull through all 3 loops. Then insert your hook into the last chain and make a single crochet. So pull up a loop, then take your yarn, pull through 2, and now our leaf is ready, and we're gonna just slip stitch in our first stitch. So it is our first stitch, so we will insert the hook into 2 loops, then pull up a loop and pull through the loop of the hook. Now we will chain 1. Now cut the yarn and pull through the yarn. Pull the yarn to tight the work